Hello everyone, and welcome to Startup Depth. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through how to use TubeBuddy. So watch the video until the end to learn everything about TubeBuddy, whether it's creating thumbnails, keyword research, or video optimization. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to install TubeBuddy. It's available as a free browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, or you can download the desktop app for Windows and Mac. Head over to the TubeBuddy website. The link is provided in the description. Once you're on the website, you will find the Install Free Now option. Alternatively, hover over the AI Tools drop-down at the top, then click on Download Extension Free. You will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click on the Add to Chrome button next to the TubeBuddy extension. Next, click on Add Extension. This will install the TubeBuddy extension to your Chrome, and that's it. You have successfully installed the TubeBuddy extension to your YouTube channel. Now let's explore the features of TubeBuddy for your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy's free plan is available, so you can check the features of this without any hassle. Here in YouTube Studio, you will find the TubeBuddy icon at the top. Once you click on this icon, you will find different tools that you can use for your channel optimization. So let's explore the first amazing feature of TubeBuddy, keyword research. Click on the keyword research option from the list. Next, in the search box, enter the keyword you want to check the results or search volume. Then, click on the Explore button. And here you can see TubeBuddy has provided us amazing and deep results about this keyword. You can check the overscore, search volume, competition, and optimization strength. Also, in the related searches, you can find 3 keyword suggestions. This keyword also has the low competition keyword, and you can use them for your videos. This keyword research feature can help you to optimize your videos and boost your YouTube channel to new heights. Now let's explore the next feature of TubeBuddy, which is Title Generator. Once you've installed the TubeBuddy extension, you will find the Title Generator button just below your video title. Click on this button. Then, on the right-hand side, click on the Generate Ideas button, and TubeBuddy will suggest you the best and optimized title for your video. You can simply apply the title by just clicking on the Apply button. Now let's talk about adding chapters to your video. Once you have installed the extension, you will find the Add Chapters button just below the description of the video. Note that this feature is available in premium versions. But with this method, you can simply add chapters or timestamps with just one click. But there is now an amazing feature in the free plan. That's Thumbnail Analyzer. Once you click on the Thumbnail Analyzer button, a right side bar will appear. Then click on the Upload box, and then you can upload all thumbnails. TubeBuddy will suggest to you the best thumbnail for your video, so you can predict which will have the highest click-through rate. So this amazing feature can help you to optimize your thumbnail for a better click-through rate. But if you click on the Create Thumbnail button, a new window will appear. Here you can select the background type of a thumbnail, whether it should be a still frame, solid color, an image, or an existing thumbnail. In this example, I am choosing the solid color option. Then you can pick any random color from the color box. Once you choose the color, click on the Continue button. Now you can add text, image, shape, emoji, or any frame on the background. But if you click on the Template button, you will explore many templates of thumbnails, and you can easily customize them. But this feature is also available in the Pro plan of TubeBuddy. But we are creating a simple thumbnail, so click on the Text button. Then, in the text box, enter the desired text you want to add to your video. After, you can customize the text, font size, and formatting and alignment. Once you have entered the text, click on the Add Layer button, and this will add a text layer on the background. You can simply scale and adjust the text box on the thumbnail. Now, to add an image, simply click on the Image button. Then click on the Upload button. Then choose the desired image from your computer. Once you've uploaded the image, click on that, and this will be added to the thumbnail, and now you can adjust it on the canvas. Moreover, you can add emojis by simply clicking on the Emoji button. So, if you're a beginner and don't know how to create thumbnails, this can be very helpful for you. If you click on the Preview button, TubeBuddy will show you the preview of your thumbnail on YouTube. Also, you can explore other competitor thumbnails for better ideas. You can simply add this thumbnail by clicking on the Save and Publish button. Now let's explore another main feature of TubeBuddy, tags. Tags can be useful if the content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. If you have installed the TubeBuddy extension, you can explore the SEO-optimized tags that easily help you to boost your video in search results. Currently, TubeBuddy offers just 3 tags in the free plan, but you can join the Pro plan for better results. And there you have it. You've learned how you can use TubeBuddy to optimize your YouTube content and boost your watch time. So, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information. Thanks for watching.